So the beauty about automation is it gives you consistency. We do achieve a high level of consistency in our semi-manual lines, but with automation, once the machine is set, obviously it's going to continue to produce the same high quality consistently, and that's really what you're looking for in automation, and also productivity as well. I mean, our new line will give us approximately 110,000 batteries a month, whereas one of our older manual lines would give us about 50,000, about half of that. So you get improved productivity, but also you get a very high consistency in terms of quality. Well, you're getting very minimal waste in terms of product, in terms of scrap, very low scrap rates. And also just because of your efficiencies in terms of the number of batteries you're putting down the line over a period of time, you're getting very high productivity levels, which in manufacturing is absolutely essential to getting your costs down. So here, the products obviously is our automotive batteries and solar batteries. And of course, the main brand that we do here is chloride Xide. ABM and chloride Xide are the same company, so this is the manufacturing operation, and chloride Xide is the sales and marketing. Our main market is Kenya. 50% of our business is in Kenya. And then Tanzania, Uganda, and then of course all of the regional business as well. So we go from Ethiopia and Sudan up in the north, right down to Madagascar, Mozambique in the south, and then across to the Western Congo as well. So fairly spread across the region. Ideally, it means at best maintaining or at least maintaining the product pricing, and at best it means a reduction in pricing. Unfortunately, in Kenya, one of our biggest challenges is our cost of electricity compared to our competitors in the Far East. We have very high cost of electricity, and electricity is a big input cost to the manufacturing of batteries. So the more we can do in terms of efficiencies, the less resource that has gone in terms of cost resource has gone into the production of those batteries, and if we can get that right, it allows us to at best drop the prices and at least keep the prices where they are, which is what we need to remain competitive in the markets that we operate. Obviously a greater return on our investment, you get higher productivity, so hopefully a greater return on investment for the shareholders. Of course, that's what the business is all about. But again, in terms of customer satisfaction, you're getting a higher quality of product. Therefore, the customer satisfaction improves. Higher customer satisfaction translates to greater volumes of business. So a combination of those key points. That line on its own was just over 200 million shilling investment. So it's a fairly significant investment. But if it's going to give us what we need, then it's well worth the investment. Probably about just over a 4-year period, something like that would be the expectation. Obviously, COVID has had its impact on the business, like everybody. But generally, we would be expecting a return on investment within the 4-year period.